historical structural changes, and the ongoing tug-of-war between parliamentary sovereignty and judicial review. The selected structural model answers below address the exact style, tone, and standard required for the IAS mains examination. Question 1, 15 marks, 250 words. Parliament's power to amend the Constitution is a limited power and it cannot be enlarged into absolute power. In light of this statement, explain whether Parliament under Article 368 can destroy the basic structure of the Constitution by expanding its amending power. UPSC PYQ, Model Answer Structure. 1. Introduction. Contextual hook. Start by defining Article 368, which gives Parliament the power to amend the Constitution. Core thesis. Highlight that this power is constituent, not sovereign. It is bounded by the basic structure doctrine established in the landmark Kesavananda Bharati case, 1973. 2. Body paragraph I, the evolution of amending power and limits. The conflict. Briefly outline how the clash between fundamental rights and directive principles led from Shankari Prasad, absolute amending power, to Golaknath, no power to amend fundamental rights. The compromise. Kesavananda Bharati, 1973, introduced a structure including fundamental rights, provided it does not alter its basic structure. 3. Body paragraph 2, why the amending power cannot be made absolute. The Minerva Mills case, 1980, the Supreme Court struck down clauses of the 42nd Amendment that sought to give Parliament unlimited power. The court explicitly noted that a limited power cannot be used to convert itself into an unlimited one. Judicial review. Under Article 13 and the Basic Structure Framework, judicial review is an essential tool to ensure that legislative overreach doesn't dilute democratic frameworks, federalism, or secularism. 4. Conclusion. Conclude by stating that the Indian Constitution strikes a fine balance between rigidity and flexibility. The limitation on Article 368 prevents a temporary legislative majority from rewriting the foundational democratic character of the nation, acting as a vital check and balance. Question 2, 10 marks, 150 words. Describe the procedure for the amendment of the Constitution of India under Article 368. Why has this procedure been criticized by constitutional experts? Model answer structure. 5. Introduction. State that Part 20, Article 368 outlines the methods of amending the Constitution to ensure it remains a living document that adapts to changing social realities. 6. Body paragraph I, the step-by-step procedure. Introduction of the bill. Initiation phase. The bill can be introduced in either House of Parliament by a minister or a private member. Prior permission of the President is not required. Voting in houses. Special majority requirement. The bill must be passed in each house separately by a special majority, a majority of total membership plus 2/3 of members present and voting. There is no provision for a joint sitting in case of a deadlock. State ratification. Federal provisions only. If the amendment attempts to modify. Presidential assent. Final phase. Once passed, the bill is presented to the President, who must give assent. The President can neither withhold assent nor return the bill for reconsideration. 7. Body paragraph 2, major criticisms of the procedure. No state initiation. The power to initiate amendments rests solely with the Union Parliament. States cannot propose amendments. Absence of joint sitting. A crucial amendment can easily be blocked by the Rajya Sabha, even if the Lok Sabha passes it unanimously, without an avenue for joint resolution. No time frame for states. The Constitution does not specify a timeline within which state legislatures must ratify or reject an amendment bill sent to them. 8. Conclusion. Summarize that despite these structural criticisms, the amendment mechanism has successfully maintained stability. It prevents volatile political transitions while simultaneously accommodating sweeping reforms like the 73rd, 74th Amendments, Panchayati Raj, and the 101st Amendment, GST. An excellent video guide on this topic is the UPSC Constitutional Amendment Strategy video, which offers a thorough analysis of previous year's questions along with structural answer writing breakdowns tailored specifically for the mains examination.